Welcome to Las Vegas Real Estate Now, where we believe in the 3 E's: educate, empower, and engage. I'm your host, Harvey Blankfeld of the Brown Blankfeld Group, selling homes in Southern Nevada since 1988. To bring you the 3 E's, we not only share our experience and knowledge, but that of our expert contributors. We are very proud to be part of the Real Estate Radio Network. Like them, we are dedicated to delivering timely, balanced truths for market conditions. Please stay tuned. We'll be back in just a moment.
With me in studio, I have Kari Phillips from Southern Fidelity Mortgage. She's brought a friend, Steve Cowan. He's also a senior loan officer on Kari's team. Welcome, guys.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you. You know, these days, mortgage business is confusing to people. 10 years ago, they could walk into a loan office and get a loan by saying their name.
Right, having a pulse.
Having a pulse, got you a loan. Then, 5 years ago, you guys wanted to know their history from 700 years ago.
Right.
Today, it's a little bit different, so it's more balanced. So what does it take to qualify for a loan right now?
Well, 4 things go into qualifying: credit, assets, income, and collateral. Collateral meaning the home that they purchase. Mm-hmm. Make your payments on time. Have a decent FICO score. We go down to a 580 FICO score in some programs. Yep. Some programs, you don't need any money down.
Right.
You can get gifts from family members. Mm-hmm. Other programs, income. That's one thing we do now. We check income, where before you could just sort of say, I make $1 million a month. Mm-hmm. And I would say approved. Now I look at your tax returns and W-2s, but you can have more debt now. That means that you can have a higher debt to income ratio. It used to be 40%, now it's 56%. They also look at the collateral. They make sure that there's a roof and there are sides of the house, non-hazardous and not falling over.
You guys are taking the time to make sure that the buyer can not only afford the home, but the home is worth what they're buying it for.
Yep, down to the batteries and the smoke detectors. They look at that because if they're not there, that can endanger the people living in the home.
And I want to talk a little bit about jumbo loans.
Jumbo.
What's a jumbo loan?
More than the normal, than the
417.
417.
Anything over 417 would be considered jumbo.
Yeah.
It's not the same number across the country. It just depends on what county you're in.
Is it harder to qualify for jumbo?
It is. Normally, it's 20% down. We do have programs that have 10% down on jumbos.
Is that available for a refi?
It is available for a refi.
Right.
And you have to have reserves in the bank.
Today's still historically low rates.
Yeah.
We keep hearing they're going to go up. You think that the rates will see significant increase, and is that something that's going to happen overnight?
I live my mortgage life day to day, and I go off of history.
Yeah.
I don't have a crystal ball. I can't predict what they're going to do in 2 weeks versus now. Just go with the flow.
Kari, I want to thank you for sharing up-to-date information with us, and I want to also thank you for inviting your friend Steve.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming along.
Thanks for listening to Las Vegas Real Estate Now. Please tune in every week and help us heal the Southern Nevada market one home at a time.